friend of mine recently asked for help. His website was slow and throwing 503 service unavailable errors. The developers blamed his hosting and tried to sell him theirs. The hosting provider blamed his website and pushed for an expensive upgrade. Stuck in the middle, not knowing who to trust, he turned to me. And before we dive into what I found, let's break down what a 503 error actually means. It happens when a server can handle requests, either because the hosting plan doesn't have enough resources, CPU, memory, or PHP workers, or because the website is using those resources inefficiently. No caching system, too many non-cacheable requests, memory-hungry plugins, or slow database queries. Any of these can bring a site to its knees. So was it really the hosting, the website, or something else? Let's take a look. This is the website. It's a WooCommerce, and it's a new website. It doesn't have much traffic. When a low traffic website is using up all the resources of the web hosting plan, usually it's because there are non-cacheable requests on the front end. To see that, we can go to Inspect Element, click on the Network tab, and filter by PHP. Now let's refresh the page and test also a category page. Looks okay. Let's test a product page. And here we go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, that's a lot. 100, that's too much. Way too much. Way too much. 179 non-cacheable requests on the product page. Yeah, that's what's causing the 503 errors. Because these requests to adminajax.php, these are non-cacheable. For each of these requests, a PHP worker must start on the server, and it's using a CPU core and it's using memory to handle this request because there's not enough CPU cores, there's not enough memory, maybe not enough PHP workers. It brings the whole website down. Okay, let's see what's the action here. Get table with product bulk table. I'm not a developer, I'm just customer support. So I don't know what this action is doing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to WP admin and start to disable plugins one by one and test if these non-cacheable requests disappear. Let's go to plugins, install plugins, and start to disable. I start with the first one, deactivate, and now check to see if those requests are still there. What was the product? I think this one. Let's inspect element, network, PHP, and let's refresh the page. There's one request because we're in the admin interface, but no more admin Ajax PHP. Wow, did we get lucky? I thought this was going to be a longer video, but I think we got lucky. And the first plugin that we've disabled was the culprit. Let's activate the plugin and see. Okay, refresh. Yeah, that's the plugin. That's the plugin that's doing these non-cacheable requests. Okay, it looks like we got lucky and we'll solve this pretty quickly. Let's go to settings and see what was that action that the plugin was doing. Let's see. Get table with product bulk table. Let's check the settings. Okay, that's the WooCommerce pricing rules, the settings here. Bulk table, bulk. Look here, bulk table. Show bulk table on category page, show bulk table on product page. So we have this problem only on the product page, so this must be it. Let's uncheck it and save. Okay. So on the front end, let's do a refresh. Yeah, that was the problem. That setting. So no more no more admin Ajax requests. Good, that's good. But what does this do? I don't know. I'm not a developer, just customer support. So this is something that the people who built the website should investigate and along with the client see if this is a feature that it's actually needed. So this is it. We've solved it and it didn't take too long. I thought it was going to take longer, but we got lucky. We got lucky because it was the first plugin that we've disabled the advanced dynamic pricing for WooCommerce. This is it. I'm Andre from SimpleNet, and I hope this was interesting and helpful, and you've learned something from this little video.